2015 Supra Pro Wakeboard Tour saw a new level of competitive finals runs. Check out some of the best tricks of the 2015 season.
Corey Tunison starts off with a toe side 900.
Rusty Malinowski, wrap heel 9. Noah Flegel, heel side, front side 900. Mike Dowdy starts off with an Indy double back roll.
Harley Clifford coming in, starting his second pass with a huge Indy tantrum.
A new trick was landed for the first time in competition.
Oh! With a 1080 in his contest run. Oh my goodness.
No season's complete without carnage. Here's the best crashes of the 2015 Supra Pro Wakeboard Tour.
He slips out and he goes down. Andy back roll, oh my goodness.